Hello and welcome. Today we are going to connect Ubuntu on Windows Active Directory. This an idea from a user on a Telegram group. Then he had some issue to join on the domain, and then I decided to make a video. So let's do it. First of all, okay, I have my Windows machine. Then the screen is like that, but I don't know why, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to create an organization unit called Ubuntu. Okay. It's very annoying, the story of this screen. Okay, user Ubuntu. No, username Ubuntu. Yeah. Next, password admin123. Admin123. The user cannot change the password never expired, and finish. That's all. And let me take this one. Click ipconfig. Okay, this is the IP of my domain. So I'm going to install the Ubuntu machine. If you have already if you have already Ubuntu, you don't need to follow this video, and you can skip. There is a chapter on the comment and the description of the video. Then you can choose any chapter you want. So full name Ubuntu crazynet, username crazynet, password admin123. Admin123. That's all. Alright then. So now we'll start the installation of Ubuntu, then I will come back. I will come back when the installation will be complete, because anyway there is nothing to actually fancy to see. Okay, we are back. So just complete the installation of Ubuntu, Ubuntu. Then I'm expecting at some point it will pop up the update, but that's okay. Now at this point we have lots command to digit. So first of all, let's wait for the update. But in the meantime, I open my best friend, the terminal, and I'm going to say sudo su admin123. So at this point, I'm going to say t main a or dash a, and from this point I will try to go a bit slow so you can digit in the meantime, because okay, we have the update, because I noticed from the other videos on YouTube they digit very fast, and you have to stop all the time the video. Then it's a bit uncomfortable, or at least for me. So press enter. So at this point we have to add this source on the source file. So http us.archive ubuntu.com/ubuntu/bionic universe, and press this one again, deb. Let me see if I can copy and paste. Copy and paste. That's all. So at this point we need to set our host name. So I mean the host name of our domain controller. So for do that, simple host name ctl set dash host name crazynet.local. Then we are going to confirm the host name with this command, host name ctl. Okay. Static host name crazynet.local, computer VM, blah blah blah. All right. So at this point, we need to go and set the DNS. I'm going to use gedit /resolve.conf, press enter. Then I'm going to edit this one and I'm going to add my IP of my domain controller to 204.137. Then save and exit. So now we need to digit lots of things. Okay, then apt dash yes install realm md space libnws sss libpam sss sssd tools. Then we need to digit other things. Let me see. Okay, then sssd dash tools. Okay, then sorry. Then adcli samba common pin oddjob odd jjob mk home dir. And then for the last, pack age kit and press enter. Unable to locate what I forgot. It's no S, it's a D. Okay, try again. Okay, this looks better. Okay, waiting for that. Now, when it will be complete, we say realm discover crazynet.local realm. Okay, then, so this is the domain controller, crazynet, type Kerberos, so it looks good to me. Then we need to join on the domain, so realm join dash capital U administrator crazynet.local, press enter. I'm going to digit the password of the server and the join is basically done. So at this point we are going to check the realm details. So realm list, and we have the domain Kerberos, che è important, domain name crazynet.local. Okay, so at this point we need to create the home user directory, so for make it like automatic. So bash -c bracket cat, and this one, let me see, let's look at the keyboard. easier. What kind of keyboard is American keyboard is this one? So cut this one slash USR share PAM configs slash mk home dir closed bracket and EOF. Where is this symbol? Eccolo qua. EOF. Enter. So this here we say name active mk home dir default yes, priority colon 900 session type additional, then session again, no man, session wire it, then give this command pam underscore mk home dir dot so on mask equal 0022 skel equal slash atc slash skel require it, and then for quit EOF. Okay, then so at this point we're going to say pam dash auth dash update, press enter. So here what you have to choose is let me see, let's open a bit more, maybe it will, no, okay, you have to check here mk directory, then I cannot see it, that is not good. Let me check why. Yeah, why is not, let me see, pam update. Okay, then active mk home dir is this one, then okay, and at this point what else we have to do? We have to say system gtl start sssd, then same things but with status sssd and startup. Okay, then okay, so this point let's see if the integration it works with ID and CrazyNet. Okay, ID Ubuntu ID Ubuntu doesn't exist, that is not true. Let's see if it works actually, because Sometimes I can receive this error, but it's actually is no error. Let me see. So log out, then I'll choose here not listed, username crazynet.local backslash, then I don't have a clue where it could be. Where should be this symbol? Because this keyboard, it's American keyboard and I'm using English keyboard. Let's see where it should be. I'll press everything, go. At some point it should pop up. No. Okay, find it. Okay. Ubuntu. Then is the username in Active Directory. Admin123. Let's see if it's joined it. Admin123. Let me see even the username if it's correct, just in case. crazynet.local backslash Ubuntu admin123. Okay, creating directory home. It works actually. So let's pop up the desktop. Let's have a look in Windows, of course. Windows Server. Windows Server, Workstation, VM. Send Control Alt Canch. Password. Computer. I should see here computer. CrazyNet. Okay, then the computer is added on the Active Directory, and of course the user, I'm using this username. At this point, my Ubuntu is actually in Active Directory. Okay, so at this point, for connecting or to browsing a file into Windows Server, you need to set up OpenSSH in Windows Server, or you need to have like NFS service, so the network file system, or Samba, or even FTP on Windows Server, because otherwise you cannot connect. But this one maybe will be in a next video, who knows. So let me know what you think about this video, if it can be helpful for you, or any comment, and please of course leave one I like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching.